Alright, hello and welcome everyone. This is Lakson here and welcome to my video. This is going to be a beginner's tutorial on how you can get started with the Exness. And I'm assuming that you already checked some information about this broker and you're just really here because you need a specific guide that will walk you through the whole step-by-step process. So here, I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to go through to get started with the Exness, from account registration to verifying your account to finally placing your very first trade with Exness. And first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you're actually on the official website of Exness, because as far as I know, there are lots of fake websites out there that are trying to mimic the official website of Exness. And the best way to do that is I should have a link in the video description that looks like this, or check the pinned comment in the comment section below. Just click that and you should be routed to this page right here, and this is the official website of Exness. And since this video is really just about how you can get started with Exness, so I'm just going to go straight with the account registration process. So once you reach this page, all you need to do to get started is click this button right here, register. You will be routed to this page, and first you need to select which country you're from, and since I'm from the Philippines, so I'm going to have that Philippines there, and fill out your best email and create your password. And by the way, if you're from the Philippines, just like me, a Filipino, I have something here on my website. I want you guys to join our trading community, and here's a video right here to explain everything about our community and how you can join it for free. So just go ahead and fill out your best email and create your password. So just like that, and once you're done, just go ahead and click continue. And here on the background, this is the native trading platform of Exness, but we're just going to talk about this trading platform later. For now, we need to select or open a trading account, which is, we have two options here. It could be a demo or real trading account. If you're a complete beginner, then I would really recommend that you do practice trading using a demo account. But from here, I would suggest that you open a real trading account just so you will be able to see how the real trading account looks like. No worries, because you can also just open a demo trading account later. We just have to open a real trading account for us to be able to also verify our account. So we'll just have to click this one right here, open real account. And you will be routed to this page, and as you see here, everything is tagged as unavailable because we have to complete our registration, which is to, of course, fill out our personal details and also submit an ID. So we have to click this button right here, complete our profile. So there are 3 steps here that we need to complete for us to be able to complete our registration, and just have to click get started now. Exness will send us an email that has a code in it to verify that we are using a correct email. So just go to your email platform and you should be able to see an email just like this that has a code in it, 347683. So next is you also need to confirm your phone number. So it's just a self-explanatory process. You just have to fill out your phone number. I'm just going to fast forward the video from here to verify my phone number. And then it depends on which country you're from. You should be able to see the country code and just fill out your best phone number. Exness will text you a code and you just have to fill it out here. And then continue. So our email and phone number is now confirmed, and the next thing that we need to do is we need to add profile information. So that will be our name, see here. And since this is just a tutorial, so I'm just going to use a demo information right here, but you have to make sure that whatever the information that you fill out here in these forms, also the same with the IDs or ID that you're going to use later to verify your account. So make sure that it matches to the details in your ID, your complete name and your date of birth and address. So just like that, and hit continue. And here, this is not actually a big deal, but you have to select whichever your purpose of opening a trading account with Exness. So if you're opening an Exness trading account to do forex trading, for example, then you should be choosing speculation. So these are all just personal questions, and you just need to select whichever is applicable to you or that defines you. For example, what are your source of income? So I'm going to maybe select here savings. I'm sure that the reason why Exness is asking this personal information just so they will be able to help you, just in case like if you're a complete beginner, you didn't have any experience with trading, then they will be providing you like educational resources for free, and they will be sending it straight to your email. So that's why they are asking these questions. So just like that, and on this part right here, you also need to select trading instruments that you're planning to trade using your Exness trading account. And then this is the last part, and then you'll have to submit. And next, before you do any transactions using your newly created Exness trading account, you need to verify your identity. And to do that, you just have to click this button right here, verify identity, and make sure that you have your documents ready for you to be able to easily upload it from here. So just select upload documents. You also need to select your citizenship. Like if you're a resident that's outside US, then you have to select this, of course, and then continue. So here you have a lot of options to select whatever the ID that you have prepared with you. So let's just say, for example, if you're going to select driver's license, then you also need to submit the front picture of your ID. So it depends on which country you're from as well. So there should be multiple different type of IDs. So it should be available here to select from. So you just have to take your photo of your ID and then upload it from here. And since this is just a tutorial, so I'm not going to upload any ID to verify this account, because as you can see earlier, the name of this account was Demo Tutorial. After you submit your ID, your account should be verified within a few minutes or an hour. And this unavailable tag right here should be removed, and you can now go ahead and maybe start making deposits to your account. But again, if you're a complete beginner, then I would suggest that you should try and practice using the demo accounts that the Exness have for everyone. And for everyone who wanted to do practice trading using the demo account, you will be able to access that, the demo account, here on this tab right here, My Accounts. And Exness automatically create a demo account for you, which you can simply access to this tab right here. So see here, I have here 10,000 US dollar demo funds that I can use for demo trading. And by the way, if you're a complete beginner and you don't want to jump in and start trading yourself with real money right away, you can also just do copy trading if you wanted to really make money right away. So copy trading or social trading is one of the best ways for you to be able to earn extra income on side. So whatever that you're currently doing, like if you have a job and you just wanted to earn extra income, so copy trading or social trading, you just need to select a strategy provider, and whatever the trades that doing with this account, trading account, will be reflected to your copy trading account. And if you wanted to use like a third party trading platform, for example, MetaTrader, MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, so the demo account that Exness automatically created for us here is under MetaTrader 5 in the standard account. The login details for the trading platform MetaTrader is visible right here. So you just have to click this three dot icon right here, and then account information. So this is where you'll be able to see your login details and the server. So this is the most important details that you need to have for you to be able to log in on the trading platform. For example, if you're going to use MetaTrader. Also, if you don't want to use MetaTrader, the third-party trading platform, again, Exness, just like what I've showed you earlier in this video, they have their own trading platform, which I'm going to talk about in a few minutes. So you have to make sure that you have this one copy every character of this server, have it there on the server tab, and then MT5 login, and then you will be also asked to post a password. So it should be the password that you created during the sign up process earlier. And of course, for the real trading account, this is your real trading account. You will be trading real money once you use this real trading account right here. And of course, same thing, if you wanted to see the details of this account, as you see here, this is under MT5. So if you're planning to use MetaTrader, so it should be MetaTrader 5. And then same thing with the demo account that I showed you earlier. The details is available through this button right here. And you will be able to also add a nickname to it in the account information tab. This is where you need to get the server and MT5 login. And again, same thing, the password that you use during the account creation, that's going to be the password for MT5 as well. Now, once you're ready and now confident with yourself that you can now make profits and trade real money, so you just have to click this deposit. You have to fund your account first. And there should be multiple payment methods available for you to use depending on which country you're from. And whatever the payment methods that you use during your deposit, that's going to be also payment method that you're going to use during your withdrawal. And let me go ahead now and show you how to place a trade using the native trading platform of Exness. So you just have to click this trade button right here. This is the native Exness trading terminal right here if you wanted to just use their Exness trading terminal. And by the way, you also have an option to open a different account if you wanted to open, like for example, if you want to use MetaTrader 4, so you just have to open a new account, and you can do that here in this button right here, open a new account, and you have here multiple options, whatever you think that best for you. So as you see here, for a standard account, just have minimum deposit of $10, so on and so forth. You can just read it yourself. But here, this is the trading platform of Exness. So as you see here, this is the real trading account, so that's why I don't have any amounts in it. And so we have to make sure that if we're just here to do practice trading, so we have to make sure that we selected the demo account. So go to your accounts and then demo and then trade and then select Exness terminal trading platform or their native trading platform. So again, this is Exness native trading platform. So this is one of the things that I like about Exness. They have their own trading platform, and it's kind of overwhelming, especially if this is the first time that you see candlesticks or the charts that we have right here. But let me go ahead and show you how to use this one. So candlesticks are just there to illustrate price movements on a particular time frame. So this is the time frame right here. So let's just say if I'm going to select 5 minutes, and that would mean that every candlesticks right here form within 5 minutes time frame. So for example, all these candlesticks right here, this is 5 minutes. So last price, and then the price was open on this part right here, came up, but it also came down from here, but the price was closest on this part right here. So it's going to be a long video if I'm going to explain everything right here. Just go ahead and check the video description. I should have a separate tutorial there discussing everything about the basics of candlesticks and everything about charting in trading. But this is how you place a trade using this trading platform of Exness. First is you have to select your preferred trading pair. So for example, if you wanted to do forex, so let's just say USD CAD, so just like that, you can just search it from here, or you can also just select the drop down. So this is the USD CAD. You just have to click that and it will be automatically added to your tab right here. You can also just close this other open trading pairs. So you have here Bitcoin and Euro USD and USD CAD. So for example, I'm going to trade USD CAD. So you have to make sure that you select the right currency pair that you wanted to trade. So for example, this one right here. And if you want to do technical analysis, you can also do full screen. Just click this one right here. And you can also add multiple tools here. So let's just say, for example, if you want to add trend lines or horizontal line, this is where you can select it from. So let's just say I'm going to place a long or a buy trade on this trading pair right here, USD versus CAD. I can use this measurement tools right here for me to be able to also see how many pips is going to be my stop loss. So for example, if long position, that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to put it in here. This is your stop loss. So if you don't know this kind of thing, stop loss, percentage point, how to calculate stop loss, something like that, or lot size, you have to make sure you do know that before you do trading real money. So let's just say my target profit is right here and my stop loss is just right here. So this is just a demo. So just like that, that's how you map out your trading plan if you already done your technical analysis. But this is how you place a trade. So first, before you place a trade, you have to know your lot size. Your lot size, this depends on your trading account size or your equity. So you have to know that before you ever place a trade. So there are lots of videos about this here on YouTube. So you just research about it and how to calculate lot size. That is very important because part of risk management is you have to know how much are you risking on your equity. So just like what I have here, since I have a 10,000 demo accounts, maybe I can use like, since this is a standard account, so maybe I can use 0.5. You can also set your take profit just like that, and you can drag it. So just like this one, since my take profit was set here, and that's the price where the take profit. And then once everything is set up, you have to also make sure that whatever the trades that you're trying to do, you have to select it from here. So I'm on the sell tab, so I need to make sure that it's on the buy tab. So take profit just like that. And you can also set your stop loss right here, drag it here, and then confirm by 0.5 lots. So that's how you place a trade. Again, everyone, especially for beginners, you have to make sure that you do your research first before you jump in and start trading real money. It's important that you know how to do risk management, trading psychology, and develop a solid strategy and have it practice using a demo account. I think that's all I have for you guys today. And if you still have questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. Have a nice day and good luck.